Are you a former Filipino living in US or in Canada na every time umuwi ka sa Pilipinas, gusto mo meron kang place to stay? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-rent or mag-Airbnb just to have an access, no? Kasi this is located in a master planned estate of Greenfield City. You're in the center of everything. This is Zadia by Greenfield City. Starting point natin guys is dito tayo magagaling sa Calax, no? So bago kami nakapunta dito guys, if you're from Manila and galing kang airport, may exitan nyo is yung SLEX, Mamplasan exit po. And mag-entry naman kayo sa Calax, which is yung Cavite Laguna Expressway. Then ito na yung magiging daan natin papuntang lalabas tayo dito sa New Valley Boulevard. So ito, baybayin natin siya. So yung nakikita natin guys is yung New Valley Flyover po. Ayan siya oh. So imagine kapag pupunta kayong Tagaytay, no, hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa Santa Rosa kasi magkakaroon tayo ng sariling exit po, which is yung flyover ng New Valley po from Calax. So ito siya. Yan yung future guys. So dito ako nag-start guys sa bandang New Valley, no, kasi gusto ko lahat kayo makarelate kasi ito yung pinakasikat dito sa Metro Santa Rosa na lalabasan natin, which is dito lang po malapit yung Zadia na project. So ito siya, ito yung stoplight. Ito po yung labas ng Calax guys. Etong road dito guys, kapag nag-turn right kayo, ito yung Tagaytay, papuntang Tagaytay. Then yung view dito guys sa harapan is yung Seda. Then pag diniretso mo, dito yung landmark. And dito rin guys yung sa SNR and yung sa Landers. And yung future na SM Yulo, malapit lang din po dito sa New Valley. New Valley guys, famous dito yung fish feeding, Fountain of Lights every December. Meron din po ditong leisure activity kagaya ng New Valley Golf Course, nakakabukas lang po. So dito guys, yung side na to is nandito yung mga BPO companies, andyan yung Starbucks, andyan yung Romantic Baboy. New Valley Estates guys is the largest in the Philippines na dinevelop ni Ayala Lands. Pero almost kalahati pa lang po ata ang nade-develop dito, and dun sa New Valley North is yung mga ide-develop pa po dito sa Ayala Lands or sa New Valley Estates. So eto guys, part to ng township development ng Ayala Lands, which is yung New Valley Estates, and katabi po nito si Greenfield City. So yung Greenfield Estates po guys, katabi lang or kalapit lang po nitong New Valley Estates. So ito yung fish feeding, yan madadaan natin, which is yung Soledad. On my right, nandito yung UST and Santa Elena City po. So dyan yung daan kapag sa UST campus po. And dito guys, binabaybay natin Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. On my left, ito yung Vista Mall Santa Rosa. And malapit na po tayo sa pupuntahan natin, which is yung Zadia. So dito binabaybay lang natin itong Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Ito, project pa po yan ni or lupa pa po ni Greenfield yung mga nasa harapan. So eto guys, unang kanto, magta-turn right lang po tayo. So pupuntahan natin guys is Zadia, yung first condo development ni Greenfield dito sa Greenfield Estate, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. So dire-diretso lang po tayo dito from doon sa main road. So ayun, papasok tayo sa loob and continue natin yung discussion. But before that, if you're not familiar with the developer, no, let me introduce it to you, lalo sa mga clients natin abroad, no, kung sino nga ba talaga si Greenfield Development Corporation. Mr. Jose Yao Campos, a Filipino-Chinese businessman, founder of Unilab. He died in 2006. His firstborn son, Miss Joy Campos, is now running the Unilab. His eldest son, Mr. Joselito Campos, founded the food company NutriAsia and acquired in Del Monte, Philippines and Del Monte Pacific. And his youngest child, Jeffrey Campos, running the Greenfield Development Corporation. Greenfield Development Corporation is known in developing a master planned estate, no, a township development with a lot of open spaces and greenery. So isa sa development nila is yung Greenfield District, which is located in Mandaluyong. Isa sa project nila doon is yung Twin Oaks with smart home features and Sisitan, which is may direct access sa MRT, sa malls and lifestyle establishments. And now here in Metro Santa Rosa, Greenfield Development Corporation is now developing a township development called Greenfield City. So it's a mixed-use estate of industrial, nandyan si Greenfield Auto Parks, commercial spaces kagaya ni Paseo Outlet Mall, which is Alfresco, no? Santa Rosa Business Park, kung saan existing na nakatayo yung The Medical City and yung Paseo Premier. Sa residential naman, no, we have Promano Residential Park, the first residential development inside Greenfield Estate or Greenfield City, no? It is launched way back 2012. Sumunod naman dito guys si Sulen Residences, no, sa tapat ni Pramana, which is launched way back 2014. Greenfield Development Corporation also developed a flagship project called Trava. So katabi lang po ito ng Pramana at katapat lang po ito ng Sulen Residences. So yung Trava guys, yun yung flagship nila with 550 square meter yung minimum lot cut dito. Trava is launched way back 2018. And the reason behind I created this video, no, I want to highlight this project called Zadia, no, lalo sa mga kababayans natin na nasa abroad, US citizen man or Canadian citizen na uuwi sa Pilipinas, na gusto magbakasyon dito, no, to meet up with friends, to meet up with family, makapag-unwind, no, hindi nyo na kailangan gumastos, mag-rent para lang makapag-stay dito sa Pilipinas dahil meron na kayong uuwian. Master plan of Zadia guys, no, is original 5 towers po ang itatayo dito. And guys, behind my back is yung Tower 3 namin na ongoing construction. Finishing na lang po yung ginagawa and complete na po and waiting na po tayo for turnover. Here in Tower 4, no, since this is the newly launched project of Zadia guys, ang down payment niya is stretched with 0% interest. So guys, ang nilaunch pa lang namin dito is na hindi yung buong level ng tower, no. Nag-start kami mag-launch dito ng level 2, level 3, level 5, and level 6. So nag-start yung mga units namin dito with starting price po ng 4.7 million. Since Greenfield Development Corporation guys, being true to its company name, no, kitang-kita natin or mapapansin natin sa mga towers natin dito sa Zadia, nasa likod ko is yung Tower 1 natin and yung facade niya guys, even yung facade ng tower guys is may green spaces din. Pagpasok ng lobby, no, meron ding greenery kasi nasa lubong sa atin yung mga plants doon na nakatanim. So yung floor layout guys nung Zadia, nung floor plan natin dito is 32 units each tower. So each unit po is merong balcony. At the same time guys, pipili tayo ng view kung Tagaytay view man or Greenfield City view. And it comes with studio unit and 1 bedroom unit. Yun yung mapagpipilian nyo guys dito sa Tower 4 namin. Napakalaking open spaces, may swimming pool, may basketball court, may tennis, may garden, may gazebo, no. Ang ganda guys, 100% I'm very sure na magugustuhan ng future na mag-rent sa inyo dito or kayo mismo guys pag nagbakasyon kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Kami as a brokerage company that is focused in Metro Santa Rosa, no, kapag yung clients namin nag-invest dito, lalo sa Zadia guys, wala na silang ibang iniintindi kasi kami mismo as a company ang naghahanap ng magpapaupa or mag-renta dun sa unit ng client namin. So if you're kagaya ka ng mga clients namin na ayaw ng stress, hassle transaction, no guys, nandito kami, our company will help you achieve your future rental business. Mostly, some of our clients here in Zadia guys, pumuposisyon sila dito sa Metro Santa Rosa kasi they wanted na mag-invest dito kasi yung future dito, yung mga school and university na nakikita lang natin sa Metro Manila is now here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Isa na dyan, for example, is yung UST Laguna campus which is larger than Manila campus, no. So, this is 40 hectares compared to the Manila campus po, yung main campus natin. And we also have De La Salle Canlubang campus, Miriam College New Valley, and many more. Kapag nag-aaral yung anak nyo dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. And if you're a type of parent na pinaghahandaan yung future ng kids nyo, no, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-rent or mag-dorm dito kapag nag-aaral na yung anak nyo, hindi pa traffic, hindi pa polluted, no, kasi a lot of green spaces, which is Zadia guys is located in the center and the master planned estate of Greenfield City, which is malapit lang po tayo sa tinatawag nating University Belt of the South. And if you're an investor, an OFW residing in other countries, no, hindi ka pa umuwi sa Pilipinas because you're a citizen citizen na sa ibang bansa, this is an advantage with you kasi since malapit to sa University Belt of the South, maraming future na mag-rent sa inyo. And isa pa guys, malapit din to sa Technopark natin, which is marami tayong expats na from ibang bansa po is nag-rent po dito sa Pilipinas at ang nagbabayad nun is yung company nila. So isa ang condominium sa option nila para makapag-rent dito kapag nandito sila sa Pilipinas. So kagaya nga na nasabi ko kanina guys, our company no ang mag-aasikaso. So hindi ka pa umuwi ng Pilipinas guys, kumikita ka na kasi mostly our clients dito kapag pinaparentahan namin yung studio unit nila or yung condo nila guys is naka-post dated check yung mga bayad nila. So meaning guys, so habang wala ka sa Pilipinas guys, pumapasok yung bayad ng tenant mo. At the same time guys, in every documents na gagawin, wala ka na pong iisipin doon kasi our company na po ang gagawa nun. And since may mga tenants na nga no, and kung iniisip nyo na mag-iintindi pa kayo ng mga documents at nasa Pilipinas nga kayo, so feeling nyo ma-hassle kayo no, wala na po kayong ibang iintindihin kasi our company will provide all the necessary documents at ang gagawin na lang po namin is i-deposit sa inyo yung post-dated check every month. So wala pa kayo sa Pilipinas guys, kumikita na kayo. And since Tower 4 guys is a pre-selling tower here in Zadiah, ang total selling price namin right now guys is 4.8 million pesos. And since nabanggit ko nga na pre-selling yung tower niya guys, stretch yung down payment niya up to 38 months with 0% interest. Meaning by that guys, ang magiging monthly down payment lang natin ngayon is 20,000 per month lang po ang ilalabas natin every month sa loob po ng 38 months. But the remaining balance, which is 83% of the total contract price or selling price, is iloloan po natin sa mapipili natin na bangko. And since nabanggit naman namin kanina how we can help you, how can we assist you po, no? Since we have a clients here din na nag-home loan din, no? We assisted them in BDO. But I highly suggest guys, if you have an other option sa bank which meron kayong mga cash flow doon, pwede na doon kayo mag-apply sa chosen bank nyo po. I hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. Again, if you're an OFW, US citizen, Canadian citizen, no, na wanting to migrate or wanting to invest here in Metro Santa Rosa, specifically in Zadiah guys. So you may contact us for any clarification guys or inquiries sa mga number na naka-flash sa screen and i-assist po namin kayo. Again, this is Pao of Lux Properties. Thanks for watching.